Now I am moving towards Udayagiri and Khandagiri caves. I'm inside Odisha state transport bus. So let's see.
Next bus stop is Patrapada. Porabati bus Patrapada.
कोरोना भूताणु संपर्कित किछि सूचना कोरोना भूताणु ठारू निजकु दूरी रखिबा पई हाथकु साबुन.
Hello guys, how are you all? Just now I got down from bus and now I'm moving towards one of the wonderful architectural beauty of Odisha and all over India, that is Udayagiri and Khandagiri caves. Let's go there. Many things are there to explore there. Let's see. Come. On left side we have Khandagiri hills. Let's move there. Oh, some puja or rituals are taking place. Look at that. Perhaps that may be yajna, or it is called jagyo in Odia language. So they're performing that. Okay. So now we are moving towards the caves of Khandagiri. This particular part is Khandagiri. On its opposite side you can see that Udayagiri caves, Udayagiri hill caves you can see. That's in opposite actually. For that we need to pay. Entry fees is there. In India, in many places you will find these kind of things because they are much worried about their love rather than beauty of this particular place. Even though these are the living places of Jain monks, here some kind of yajna or havan is taking place. Khandagiri and Udayagiri caves both are depicting Jainism, and it is constructed by king called Kharavela for the purpose of Jain monks. Actually, according to S. Chatterjee Khera, Kharavela means he might be belonging to South India because Khara means black and Vel means in Tamil lands. So he was the admirer of Jainism and built these caves for Jain monks to reside. So Kharavela is considered to be admirer of music, education, art, and culture. So that you can find these, hilly rocks. How he has, excavated these things, and how he has constructed all those things. So that really makes a wonderful thing. That how powerful he was. And it is said that his relics have kept in this place after his death. So now I will show you how it looks inside these caves. So these caves are more spacious, and which is in very good height also, so there is no issue with these things. And one more thing you have to see here, it's so cold here, it's so cold. And how they have carved these hills, and you can see some kind of small epigraphics, or what you say, inscriptions type of things. So this is the upper part, you can see how strong it is. And but you will never miss these prema barahas that you need to see in all destinations. Under this hill, yajna is taking place.
अपने जीवासन चाट चाट के उसको सफा कर देती है, इसलिए प्रभु कहता है जैसा भी आवे सब चलेगा, बाबा है।
After visiting Khandagiri, now I am visiting to the Udayagiri caves. For that you need to pay ticket, which is around 25 rupees. So we have paid and we are going there. Look at these caves, how beautifully they have constructed. Udayagiri means sunrising hill and Khandagiri means broken hill. Here totally in Udayagiri you can find 18 caves and 15 caves in Khandagiri, which are still remaining. And where I am sitting is the particular place where you can see the beauty of how they have sculpted these things and all. One panoramic view you can take. In each caves you can find different kind of sculptures like these things and all. Some maybe you can say dwarpalakas, or some maybe apsaras, and these are relating to the Jain traditions. Like see, that is apsara is offering some food, I guess, and these things you can find it in many Puranas or Jain books. Similar kind of caves you can find in Elephanta caves, Ellora caves, and in Badami and many other places also. But this particular thing is very special. See, this particular cave is called as Rani Gufa, and which has double story. You can find this double story. Look at this, look at this. Someone has beheaded its head. I don't know who has done that. See, this is also Bhagna, something has been destroyed. In fact, at the first approach in the north, there are caves called Tattva and Tattva 2, and they were so named for the existence of Tattva birds carved on it. To the west of Tattva first, there are two caves, one facing northeast and the other southwest, the latter being called Tentuli or the Tamarind Cave. And these names are particularly relating to Jainism only. And we may not be aware about all those things. And one more thing, you can see how beautifully they have managed these sites. Look at this flower. As a tourist, definitely you will love to come because of this beauty. And not only caves, how they have cleanly they have maintained these things. We are moving towards one cave, that is Ganesh Gufa. Ganesh Gufa, this particular cave's name. Still, see, you can see the sculptures and minute kind of sculptures, how they used to do, how they have maintained this. On the top of hill we are, and this is considered as one of the Jain shrines among these caves, but now you cannot find anything such evidences. You cannot find that, lost because years went, and due to many reasons. See these holes, probably there were pillars, that's why you can find, or else I don't know whether any other purpose, for any other purpose these holes are prepared or not. Here it is written, it is Gajaprashtakar temple. Jainism is considered to be one of the oldest religions of India, and Jain architectures like Basti, Viharas and all, and these are constructed for resting or as a rest places for Jain monks. So this is the speciality of this. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.